everybody. Today I am doing part 2 of the video that I did where I poured on the coffee can. I got it all done. I put a letter M on there for Maximus. I don't know if you can see it pretty good there. I put 3 coats actually of Rust-Oleum clear gloss. Seal it up really nice. It looks really nice and shiny. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lid and I'm going to just cut it around this circle. And it doesn't have to be, perfect. It's simple. Just go easy. You don't want to go too fast and then go all the way through, because it is thin. So then you'll just put this back on top, and it doesn't have to be, you can get those out if you want. It's fairly easy. Just be a little, probably shouldn't go towards me, go away from yourself. Make it a little easier. Let's first put that on, and then you just take the dog bowl. There's Maximus's bowl that I painted a while ago, and then you just set it right in there, and it holds it in pretty good. What I do though to weigh it down is I have my box of rocks, and then I just put rocks or something heavy in the bottom. Kind of loud, so hold on just a second. There we go. Sorry about that, but you need something that's going to weigh it down. And then you just put it right in there, and then you can set it right on the floor. And you won't have your puppy sliding his bowl, her bowl, all over the floor. And yeah, so there you have it. And I do like that the bowl doesn't set all the way down, because then when you go to pick it up, it comes out really easy, but yet it, the lid keeps it kind of firm in place, but not too hard to pick up. So there's the finished product, and hopefully Maximus will like his new bowl, and hopefully you liked this video, and you can like it and subscribe it, and I thank you for watching.